All right, so we have this company with gas-powered generators. It says the length of time customers take to pay their invoices, and we're given some data here. And I'm going to show you how to get these values. There's some crazy stuff here and a video that I don't agree with. I think there's a lot easier way to do this. So open up Excel. So you're going to have your Excel file. I thought I clicked on it. Let me see if I can get this to open. All right, so we have our Excel file open. I'm going to enable editing, and I am going to show you how very quick and easy to get these values. So it says give the first quartile. There is actually in Excel, remember if you want Excel to do the computation, you start with an equal sign. There is actually a quartile, if I can spell it, .exe. I opened a parentheses. It wants you to select your data. So I select my data, and it asks which quartile you want. It wants the first quartile. So I get 30. So that's your answer for quartile 1. I can do the same thing with quartile 3. So I do equal quartile this .exe, open a parentheses, I highlight my data, comma, the third quartile, and I get this answer. Now these next ones are not quartiles, because quartiles mean quarters, so that would be 25, 50, 75, and then of course 100. So these now are actually percentiles. So if I divide, and this decile means that I am dividing this up so by tens, and there are 30. So 30 divided by 10 would be by 3s. So in other words, I'm dividing them up by 3s. So these 3, these 3, and so on. But it's a little easy to do this because this means the percentile 20, because if they're by tens, okay, so the second one would be 20, and I can do equals percentile, and of course my array again, comma, 0.20, because 20% would be 0.20 in decimal, and I get 26.2. I want my 8th percentile. So remember, these are by tens. The second decile, I did 2 times 10, which is 20. So this would be 8 times 10. So this would be 80. I do equals percentile exe. I highlight all my data, comma, 0.80 for the 80th percentile. I get 50.6. And now this just flat out wants you to get the 67th percentile. So equals percentile.exe. My array, I highlight all my values, comma, remember you want this in decimal, so 0.67. And this is a lot faster than the way that guy shows in the video to get these answers.